Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily transform your bedroom into a luxurious and comfortable hotel room. I'm going to show you step by step how you can transform your bed into a comfortable hotel bed. You probably live like everyone else with boring white walls in your bedroom, very uninspirational, and you have probably no bedspread. Wait, so I'm not gonna only show you one style, I'm actually gonna show you two different styles in this very same bedroom. It's very easy to create different styles and it's all about the details. So now I'm gonna show you step by step how you can transform your bedroom into a luxurious hotel room by using pillows, throws, plates, and in the end I'm gonna style it up. So I'm not gonna only show you one style, I'm gonna show you two completely different styles. So watch and learn. So for that exclusive feeling, I chose to use velvet pillows with a thread of gold, and to match with that pillow I chose that soft little front cushion here with a beautiful gold pattern, and the bedspread has a warm champagne color and it's like a bit metallic and it's draped, so it's very luxurious design and it matches well together. So besides the velvet and gold pillows in a very luxurious style, I used some extra details like beautiful roses. It gives a very classic style, and I put it on a gold tray and this candle holder in a blue tone. So all the details, it matches with the pillows, it makes it very soft, comfortable, and very luxurious. So who don't want to sleep here? So welcome in my cozy hotel room, all styled up with the different details here in my very own bedroom. And you can create this very style in your bedroom. So this time to create a more cozy, comfortable look, I've used really lovely cushions in cotton. It's soft, you can breathe in it. Also, I use some really gorgeous wool cushions, and I think the colors really go well together. And all the pillows matches really well to my bedspread. It's the same bedspread as before, this time in a really dark, rich navy color with a little bit of shine to it. But to soften it up and to give it a more cozy look, I put on this fro. It's really soft. It has a really beautiful Nordic pattern, and it also got these fringes. So I really hope you like it. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on how to decorate a luxurious hotel bed in your very own bedroom. Please leave a comment here below under the video and tell me what you love the most about the video. Was it style number 1 or style number 2? So to make sure you're not gonna miss out a new video on how to decorate and style your very own home, please subscribe here on my YouTube channel. You're also very welcome to share this video on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!